The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Kate County in northern Oklahoma, western Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Covington to 5 miles northeast of Marshall, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Red Rock, Ceres, Perry, Lucene, Marland, Marshall, Hayward, Covington, and Ponca City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.